Kate here with WTI, and this handy tool from TOWOT has been a lifesaver. These are angle miter shears, and they could be exactly what you need for your next project. We are renovating our home, and now it comes down to those fine little details. So we are trimming. Now we have a PVC trim that is going around the perimeter of our room, and we were using the miter saw to cut all of those angles. Let me tell you, that's overkill. So these handy little shears have saved us so much work. They're so simple to use. So first of all, they lock in place so they're nice and secure, and then they're fully adjustable. So you can adjust it from 45 degrees all the way to 135 degrees. All you do is adjust it to exactly the degree that you want to use it at, and then you use them just like scissors. So you clamp down and it slices through whatever you're using. The blade is really nice and sharp, and it does come with replacement blades if these ones get dull. I love how simple it is. You literally just put your piece up against the wall, and that's the angle you're going to be cutting at. The handle's also very comfortable. It's very well made. You can use this for all sorts of things. Like I said, ours is PVC, but you can use this for thin strips of wood, for foam, all kinds of craft projects if you have plastic to cut. This will come in handy for all sorts of things, more than you even think. The convenience of cutting angles on the go is unmatched. I'm telling you, save yourself a lot of walking back and forth to the saw, and just keep this beside you as you work through your projects, and you will be thrilled with it, I'm sure, and that's my point of view.